Hello! Today I'm gonna show you how to download Chrome browser on your iOS. First, what you need to do is go to the App Store, which should be on your main screen, but if you can't find it here, all you need to do is go all the way to the right, then click on App Library, then write App Store, then click on the search icon, then to the search bar and write Chrome and search, and there it is, Google Chrome. Now just click on it and click on the download icon, then wait. Now once you're done, all you have to do is click on the Chrome icon, then you're done. Thanks for watching, that's all, and bye!